Hi there guys, how are you? Now in this video we'll discuss partition literature. So partition literature क्या होता है? Now we all know that India was partitioned in the year 1947, ठीक है? But what is partition literature? Now उससे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं that on the issue of partition, on the topic of partition, there are so many Bollywood films. उनमें से एक ये वाली है अर्थ, काफी पुरानी फिल्म है but it is a award winning film on the issue of partition. Then there is another one, Gadar. This is also a film based on the partition of India. And similarly, there are many more movies. But what is partition literature? Now, before I discuss that, अगर आप मुझसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं, then you can follow me on Telegram. ठीक है? Then this is the official link. Harsh Singh Sir Official. And this is a brief about me. And let me tell you that I have done my masters from Delhi University from Hansraj College. ठीक है? You can read here. And one more announcement. If you are preparing for UGC NET English, then we are starting a new batch from the 15th of July. ठीक है, नया बैच शुरू कर रहे हैं हम लोग 15th of July से. Seats are limited, so book your seat as soon as possible. And in this batch, there will be a comprehensive coverage of UGC NET English syllabus. ठीक है, for inquiries or for enrollment, just call or WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. And similarly, we are also running a batch for MA English entrance, ठीक है, and a new batch starts on the 15th of July, ठीक है. In particular, our focus will be CUET PG English, ठीक है, 2025. Now coming back to the issue of partition. Now ये देखो कुछ photographs हैं partition के time से, where there were countless number of refugee camps. People from both sides, India and Pakistan, were displaced. Countless number of brutalities, atrocities were committed, crimes were committed, ठीक है. और देखो ये refugee camp है. Now these are very famous photographs. You can easily find them on the internet. So as a definition, partition literature क्या होता है? See, partition literature refers to a genre of writing that vividly captures the human experiences, emotions, complexities surrounding the partition of India in 1947. ठीक है? This significant historical event led to the division of British India into two independent states, nation states, India and Pakistan. We all know that. And partition resulted in immense suffering, loss, displacement of millions of people, and their stories are etched into the fabric of this literary genre. ठीक है? So इसी को कहते हैं partition literature. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स आपको पता होने चाहिए बिकॉज इस पे भी डायरेक्ट सवाल आते हैं यूजीसी नेट में. इवन इन एमए इंग्लिश एंट्रेंस देयर आर डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है, एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम द मोस्ट फेमस वर्क्स. ना उनमें से एक फेमस वर्क है बाय खुशवंत सिंह, very famous writer, award-winning writer, Train to Pakistan. ठीक है. So what is the storyline of this? It is set in a fictional village on the border of India and Pakistan during the partition. ठीक है. And this novel portrays the violence, the communal tensions, and human struggles faced by ordinary people. ठीक है. So what does this novel seek to achieve? It captures the trauma, loss, and moral dilemmas experienced by individuals caught in the midst of political upheaval. ठीक है. उसके बाद एक और है this is also a very powerful novel. This is by Amrita Pritam. ठीक है, पिंजर. ठीक है. Now this powerful novel explores the plight of women during the partition. The protagonist Puro is abducted and faces violence, loss, and identity crisis as she navigates the chaos of the times. ठीक है. So what does this seek to achieve? Now, Pinjar sheds light on gender-based violence, ठीक है, and the resilience of women in the face of adversity. Now, here the emphasis is on gender-based violence. Now, एक और बहुत famous work है, ठीक है, on the issue of partition. It's called Ice Candy Man. Sometimes this is also called Cracking India. ठीक है, Ice Candy Man or Cracking India by Bapsi Sidhwa. And what is the storyline of this work? It is narrated through the eyes of a young Parsi girl. ठीक है, this novel delves into the communal tensions, friendships, betrayals during the partition. ठीक है, now keep in mind that during the partition betrayals also happened. ठीक है. It captures the emotional turmoil and the disintegration of social bonds. So what does it seek to achieve? किस लिए लिखा गया था? Now, as Ice Candy Man provides a nuanced perspective on the impact of partition on personal relationships and cultural identities. ठीक है. Now, see, the works of all of these different writers deals with a different issue within the overall framework of partition, the problems created by partition. Here, the emphasis is on personal relationships and cultural identities. So, overall, what is the significance of partition literature? See, these works, along with many others, contribute to our understanding of the human cost of partition, emphasizing themes of loss, trauma, and the search for identity. Partition literature serves as a poignant reminder of the complexities of history and the resilience of those who lived through this tumultuous period. Now, एक चीज आपको ध्यान में रखना है that no matter how many hardships human beings face, the human spirit has a high degree of resilience. ठीक है, and this is one of the aspects that partition literature highlights. Now, before I end, a small announcement. If you are preparing for Jamia's entrance exam, we are running a new batch specially for PG English entrance. Now, if you remember, Jamia में objective type और essay type दोनों होते हैं. So, in our guidance program, which is specifically for Jamia's entrance, PG English entrance, we focus on both of these aspects. So, if you want guidance, just call or WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. ठीक है?